Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. I want to express this cos 330 degrees in an angle lesser than 45 through a trigonometric process. And we know if I take the coordinates x's, this is x prime, y prime, and one complete rotation is equal to 360 degrees, and this is lesser than 360 degrees, so by 30, right? Because 360 degrees minus 330 degrees is equal to 30 degrees, so we are somewhere over here, and this angle is 30 degrees, and you want to convert this by using this thing. So I can write that 330 degrees equals 360 degrees minus 30 degrees. In terms of radian, I write 360 degrees at 2 pi, and this is this thing. So I can use this value for 330 degrees in this relation, cos of 2 pi minus 30 degrees. And using the difference formula of cosine, we can expand this as cos 2 pi into cos 30 degrees plus sine 2 pi into sine 30 degrees. Since sine 2 pi is 0, therefore this whole term vanishes. And we also know that cos 2 pi is equal to 1, therefore it reduces to, cos 2 pi is 1, yes, it reduces to cos 30 degrees. That is, cos 330 degrees equals cos 30 degrees, and that's we see always from here. So this is 30 degrees lesser than 45, so we can write it like this. Thanks for watching.